Hey fitness aficionados, today we are checking out the Total Flex L folding weight bench and exercise bench press rack, a suitcase style all-in-one home gym that lets you hit bench presses, pilates moves, and resistance band workouts without bulky equipment. It arrives almost fully assembled, folds flat, and even has a carry handle for grab-and-go convenience. Key features and specifications. This bench offers 20 adjustable backrest positions via an easy, letter and number, quick change system, enabling over 50 distinct exercises. 3 color-coded resistance bands deliver 7 levels of progressive, two-way resistance. It's built on a carbon steel frame, supports up to 300 pounds, and folds into a compact 61 x 25.5 by 65 cm package weighing 22.75 kg. The kit includes ankle straps, handle grips, a foot plate, and the bench itself. Price. On US, the Total Flex L bench goes for US $499.99, placing it in the mid to upper home gym price bracket. Pros and cons. Pros. Super versatile setup, smooth resistance bands, rapid angle changes, portable form factor, minimal assembly. Cons. Higher price point than basic benches, 300 pounds max capacity may limit heavy lifters, no built-in weight storage. Customer review summary. With a 4.2 out of 5-star average from 69 ratings, reviewers praise its sturdiness, ease of adjustment, and space-saving foldability. A few users mention the resistance bands feel slightly elastic over time and wish for a steeper weight. Should you buy it or not? If you need a compact, multifunctional home gym solution and don't require Olympic-level loading, the Total Flex L bench is a solid pick. Just be ready to invest for its versatility and portability.